everybody, my name is Abhyuday. Today I'm going to show you how to use your Microsoft Teams and how to do all the stuff in it, and most things, how to open it and how to use it when you're doing it in a meeting. Okay, so everybody, let's go. So if you have already logged into Microsoft Teams, you'll see it in your front page, but I'll explain you from the start. So you have to go here inside Teams, and it'll be happen Microsoft Teams. Did you see it? Like I went to my Windows and Microsoft Teams, but yeah. So when you open here, you'll see this. See this. I'm gonna type my email. Sorry. Sorry. Something was wrong. So you can see it's, so I entered my email address. Now sign in. Now the Microsoft Teams will load. 2 minutes. So it takes a bit of a time to load. Now you can see my screen, it appears like this. So it appears like this, and AJ stuff will come here. Status unknown. Yeah. So when you see a calendar, it's called a Microsoft Calendar, which loads all your meetings you have to do. So 1 minute, my calendar is loading. It's a bit slow. So my testing, I had made this. So I'm going to show you how to make a new meeting. If you can see in the very top, you can see a plus symbol written with new meeting. If you plus that, it's going to take a bit of a time, and you see. Now it will ask you to add a title. So suppose I added fun meet. Okay, so who's going to join? So let me just do it. Okay, email address.
GH.
Huh?
GH.
JH. Okay. Is JH. At the rate Microsoft.com. यही है. So if the email address is correct, you'll see invite the email address. So you have to click on that. So the date will be shown, and when, what's the time, till what to what. So I can do, does not, if you want to repeat it, you can repeat it. So you can add details also, what's the location, channel, and all stuff. I don't want to add it. So just say send. Now the invite is sent. Now if you want to join, you have to join the meet. Okay. Now you will be appeared in a screen like this. There's a different window for these things. So you'll see a join now thing. Okay, it's right now saying waiting for others to join. So on your camera, and you can see yourself in your thing, and you can see this mic button. It's for mute and unmute. You can see share content. Share content means sharing a screen. So it's something like that. Okay. Okay, so if you share like this, so you'll be afraid even if you click here, it's not going to happen. So you see, first time it was like this. It was an up arrow. Now, if you press this, it's a down arrow. Means it's gone. Now, see, if you want to ask a question, you have to raise your hand. So the person over there can see that you are raising a hand. So let's lower this hand. Now how to do messages? You can see this. Type a new message. Suppose I said hi. It's gone. Okay. You can also type new messages with all kinds of stuff. Suppose I did it with italic. Hi. So you can do it with this A and paintbrush option. You see? So you have all types of features in this paintbrush option. Now what's this? Important. This message will be marked as important. So it's important. You can add emojis, gifs, whatever you want. Gifs means the picture which is moving. You can do that. Okay. So show participants. So when you go to participants, you'll see that the first person is always the organizer. You can see it. So, and the organizer has like spotlight me, and if there's another person, so yeah, so the organizer can control them. Now you see these 3 dots means more actions. What else can you do? Device settings is when your mics or things are not happening. Right now my microphone is on. Now you can see as I talk, this thing gets more upper and upper. It depends on its volumes. Okay. So okay. Meeting notes. There's no notes in my meeting. Meeting details, no notes. Gallery, I don't know what is it. Apply background effects. If someone is in the background, you don't want to show him, you have to apply a background effect. You have blurs option, which makes your background blur. Oh, and yes, when you click it, you have to say apply, then only it happens. In blur, it's a bit dangerous because people can see it. Okay, then you have all types of other options right here. Balloon, Minecraft, classrooms. You have to just click it and apply. Your background will be immediately changed. If you want to add a new one, you have to save a picture in your files thing. So it's good. So you have to save it, then you can add it, then you can do the things I told you. And yeah, turn on live captions. Live caption means captions will be turned on, and what you speak will be recorded in English. See, you can see it. Okay, I am gonna turn off. Okay, now in Microsoft Teams, everyone, including the organizer and people who are not the organizer, can start recording. And a message will be also come that this person has started recording. And if you want to stop recording, so yeah, so you can find it in recording meeting history ever. Okay, so you have learned all about Microsoft Teams, but when you leave, you see this end meeting means this meeting is not going to be anymore. So I'd rather go for end meeting. Yes. So end meeting means everybody has to leave. But if you put that option, there's end meeting, everybody has to leave. But there's another one called leave, which this whole thing gets deleted. So it's like it. So there's Teams here which you can enter a code and join, and there are more things like chats and stuff. So if you want to go to your own account, you can go here. See, busy, available, do not disturb, be right back, appeared away. You can see all of this. I'm right now available, so I changed it to available. Okay, let me just put it to do not disturb. No one wants to disturb me. Do that. Okay. So if you want to change your profile picture, it's very simple. click on this, and you see change picture, or you'll see this whole thing. If you can click this or this, it's both the same. You click it, upload picture. You can upload it from, go to, you can take whatever, suppose, okay, whatever, you can open whatever. Just give me 2 minutes. See, you see this? I can upload this, whatever I want. Suppose I upload this only. Open. Please use a valid photo file format. So sometimes it happens, but you know, you can do it. And yeah, thank you. And you can see my other videos also. Now you can see one of my exercises edit videos. The link is just down below. Okay, thank you, bye.